At KUKA Global Customer Service Team, our mission is to make your production seamless and stress-free. With KUKA, unplanned downtimes and complex maintenance issues are a thing of the past. Every production facility is unique, and so are our solutions. We tailor our services to fit your needs perfectly. From commissioning and installation to programming, we've got you covered. Our proactive approach means handling preventive maintenance, quick repairs, and preventive services, ensuring issues are resolved before they even arise. But we don't stop there. With our AI-powered support, you get faster and more accurate answers. Our spare part service and 24/7 support minimize downtime and keep your production running smoothly. What drives me personally is knowing that our service creates real value. We understand that every minute counts. Manufacturing your products and growing your business is what really matters. That's exactly what we're supporting you with, on-site in over 30 countries worldwide. So we are making automation easier.
Making automation easier.